This is, yeah, I don't know. It's bigger than everything. Bigger than the world. Good morning, guys. Look at the view. We are in Ubud. That is a view of Ubud. We're just heading out for breakfast. I'm going to try and do some laundry somewhere. Going to maybe have a little walk around. I'm going to get some water right there. Yeah. That's it. It's just a general, maybe orientation today of kind of where we are. There's obviously loads to do around here. Out there, there's loads to do. But for now, yeah, I think it's just a slowly, definitely breakfast, and maybe like a few like little markety things or something, and a walk around the streets just to get a general feel of the place. So come join us. Check out this door. Wow. Here's the door here, look. That's our entrance. I'm just going to close it. There's Vanessa.
Hello.
There's our water feature. There's some koi fish. Ooh, quite big ones. Oh, and some tadpoles. There's some little fish as well. And so this is the place we're staying at. Really nice. Kind of old traditional, almost temple-y type situation. And then actually you come through here. So I think that's where they stay. Oh yeah, you see there's a few temples around. I don't know if there's, I don't want to go in. Yeah, you can see temple. Through here. Trees. Yeah. You kind of come through here. Really big grounds. Maybe it's all sort of shared though as well. I think it's kind of a shared place because it's very big for our way this way, but there are there's temples this way. Over there. There's a cat overlooking everything.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, they're brothers of the owner.
Yeah.
And the rice is to take the bad spirits that sometimes are in the food, to just so that people who eat the food are not possessed of those bad spirits.
Mm-hmm. Oh wow, okay. Yeah, I saw, oh look, there's laundry right there. Laundry right across the road.
Perfect.
That's kind of the entrance to our place. As you can see, a nice like traditional sort of thing. And you see all the rice here. I actually saw a lady, she had like a big thing out like this. Yeah, a big thing like this, full of all the little rice things. And yeah, just gonna go over there to the laundry. I think it sounds like it's 7,000 a kilo, which is pretty reasonable comparative to other places we've been. Yeah, it kind of varies, I think, from place to place, but I guess yeah, here is pretty cheap. So we're just going across the road. Nice. Hello guys.
Hello.
Okay, so I dropped the laundry off, 7,000 a kilo, and it will be ready for tomorrow. So I think the total there was like 16,000. So that's less than anything. I think the cheapest we've had it is like 5,000 a kilo. Most expensive we had it is 20,000 a kilo. You know, it just depends on who you ask, where you are.
Also, I think it depends on the place because like in Gili it's harder to get water, so maybe that's why.
Yeah, I mean obviously in Gili, like, you know, the water is generally a mix of salt water. Hello.
Taxi maybe?
Not today. See you, Doc. There's a nice temple here. One thing I've noticed, obviously we've just been a lot in Lombok, even Gili and Nusa as well, Nusa Penida, which have all been more Muslim based, and so now we're back in Bali where it's a lot more Hindu based. So you start to see all the temples around, the very ornate temples around everywhere, which is great. Like here you can see, even being Ubud, it's like thought to be, or like proposed to be, a lot more green. You can definitely see that here, where it's integrated even with the temples, with the houses, with grandpa.
I miss that so
It's like kind of this synergy, or like kind of taking over of nature and connecting with nature, which is really nice here. You can just see it everywhere. So
But also,
seems a lot more tropical,
also I learned a little bit how to pray in the morning, so that gives the opportunity to kind of get a peaceful energy flowing, like focus and pray for like today, like health, and give offering, and like giving out of yourself in the morning. That gives you that intention for the whole day, rather than, oh, what can I get? So like that's why I really like just to focus on giving as well.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, that's all. That's how the energy flows, right? It flows cyclically. So as you flow out, it flows back in. And if you can set that intention in the morning, the cycle will continue throughout the day, which is really nice. Here's some more temple. Wow, big one. Trees, loads of trees everywhere. Okay, now I think we're gonna. The navigator.
Yes, the navigator
is not lost. There's some more temple. But yeah, navigator's not lost. Don't worry. Now we're going somewhere. So here we've got the world famous Jeep made by Suzuki. Perfect for all your 4x4 goodness. Yes. If you didn't know, Jeep is actually its own company. Suzuki is completely different. So that's great. Very nice. But yeah, it's actually something it was like a dream once upon a time of having. Wow, bicycles to rent.
I'm so gonna try.
Yeah, once upon a time to get like, I think it's a Suzuki Jimny, and have one of those to drive around. Kind of nice little 4x4. They look like, like toy cars basically. But yeah, maybe one day. Okay, now we're still heading this way. The navigator is navigator. Oh look, things, bags, things. Usher. Good. So already, like I can already feel like a big difference between here, Ubud, and let's say Kuta or Canggu. Like there is more, or it might just be where we are, I'm not sure exactly, but it feels like it's, there's kind of the tourist bits which are more integrated with the locals, There's still like the little warangs, there's still people doing normal Indonesian things. It's not all just tourism, which is really nice, which is kind of what I suspected, or like felt from above. You could kind of feel that it was not as like westernized perhaps, which is nice. Like it's kind of, there are western places, but then they're mixed in with quite local, warangs and things. And obviously all the temples, like seeing all the temples everywhere rather than loads of like hotels or something. From above, yeah, I could definitely tell there was like more of an integration, or at least more like we're still in Indonesia rather than being in some like Western fantasy land, which is nice. It's nice. Yeah, so we're still following the navigator. Don't know, it seems like she wants to go the furthest away we possibly can, which is fine. Means we get to explore a little bit. I did hear she was hungry though, so maybe that's why there's some sort of urgency. So this road here, I'm not sure what it's called, seems more like the main road. It's a bit more built up, it's a bit bigger. You can probably fit at least, hello, 10 cars down. Yeah, 10 cars down, yeah, next to each other, or at least here, whoa, in Bali, they could do that. In a normal road, probably 2 cars. Here, 10. Just because it's quite a wide one actually. Just teasing there, people. But yeah, it is quite a wide road. So I'm imagining this is like one of the main ones. As you can see here, it's a lady just doing like some blessings, some ceremony. Very nice, you know, again, to see sort of the integration, I guess, of like the Hindu religion, culture, you know, just as they're kind of going about their day-to-day business. Really nice. Okay, still the navigator is taking us, I don't know where, but we're going that way. So that was actually the palace just in there. Be an interesting one to see. That is where the dance is every Monday. Okay, crossing the road, crossing the road, crossing the road, crossing the road, crossing the road. It's not nowhere near as bad as, for example, Java. It's like a dream. Wow, yeah, the palace looks pretty cool over there. Maybe we'll go there a bit later. Right now, we're still heading towards something over here. Gosh. Okay. Almost there. Okay guys, the navigator got us here somewhere. We are at Madu and Susu. Madu and Susu. Which is, well, it's actually called Madu and milk. Madu is honey, and milk in Indonesian or in Bahasa is Susu, if you didn't know. So this is the place. Looks quite nice, modern. Yeah, it's got all the things. Doesn't have salmon today for some reason. So yeah, I was going to have eggs benny and salmon, but I didn't have it. Asha is having the eggs benny and bacon. Yes, and I'm having the big brekkie with like everything basically. So yeah, let's see what happens when it turns up. Okay. Okay guys, look, I have a chai masala, and it comes with a little cookie. I imagine that would be a ginger cookie, and honey. Dun, 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 dun. Cool, gonna try it. Should be really good. You can see like there's a whole layer there of chai. Nice. Okay guys, we're gonna do the plunging. Check it out. Nice one. And then we go over here. Wow, it looks like a good color. It smells really good as well.
Yeah, one was in Samyang.
Yeah, smells like a good chai. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. I've tasted stronger before. Maybe it needs a bit of honey. But yeah, I would make it probably a bit stronger if it was me. Which I guess it is me, but I didn't make it. It's still good. Still good. Can definitely taste the chai, like the cardamom, for example, cinnamon, the other mints. Yes. Wow. With the honey, it just makes it so much better. Yes, yes, yes. The honey makes it so. I might actually let it stew or steep for a while. Okay. Okay, guys. This is yeah, I don't know. It's bigger than everything. Bigger than the world.
It's really worth the price.
Yeah, got tomato sauce as well. Must have tomato sauce. Look at it all. Bacon, pork sausage, mushroom, tomato, spinach, beans. I'm running out of breath. Something else? I think that's parsley, avocado, poached eggs, some sort of tomato, I guess.
Sambal.
Yeah, but I don't think it's spicy. It won't be spicy. Hash browns and sourdough.
Maybe because you have 2 hash browns, you could give me one.
Ah. Gosh. Maybe I can give you a tomato. You wanted all these tomatoes. And there's Ash's.
Food jealousy.
But you could have had hash browns on the side. You can ask for hash brown. I mean, you can have one if you want. Yeah, sure.
No.
I mean, I'm sure you'll get through that and be like, I'm full, can you finish it for me? But yeah, so she's got eggs benny with bacon. All looks good. It all looks like you'd expect it to. Ah, there's the knives and forks. Good, got a knife and fork. And yes, they even came back and gave me good old-fashioned tomato sauce. But I imagine this is some sort of tomato sauce itself. Awesome, guys. I'm going to do this. I'm not going to talk to you. I'm just going to eat it. Bye, 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 bye. And say goodbye to this. Okay, guys, we survived. We survived. Look, it's all gone. I did have to usher with a little bit, but that's okay. I didn't mind. It's good to try it. Let's actually do that.
Sleeping.
Yeah, Asha's ready to go to sleep now. Really good though. Really good. You know, it's there is a price tag on it, but I think it's probably worth it. Probably worth it. I can't remember exactly how much everything was. Oh yeah, mine was 110. Asha's was 85, and like these.
That's really good.
Yeah, and well, the service is good as well. Look, they're gone. Yeah, really good. I think worth the price if you can spend it. And yeah, I think today.
Yeah, Sunday breakfast.
Yeah, today's, although it's Monday, it's like our Sunday breakfast. You know, after a big trip yesterday, it was nice to kind of do something for ourselves. Okay, well, I'm going to finish the chai. Asha's just finished a drink, and then we're probably going to slowly head somewhere. So follow us. Okay guys, so that was Luke and Madu down here somewhere on this street, whatever it's called. I think in total all of that costs 340,000, which yeah is not our cheapest meal ever, but
That was like
you know,
£10.
£10.
Really expensive.
Yeah. About £10 each. £10 each? £10 each. Yeah. So yeah, definitely not our cheapest. We're now just going to have rice for the rest of the day. No, I mean it was nice to kind of just do something nice for ourselves.
Oh, but what was expensive was the tax.
Yeah, the tax. I mean, you know, our meal was like 290, and then it was another 50 or so for tax, which is a bit silly. But I guess, you know, that's the gosh. They don't make me want to go in there. Yeah, tax. But I guess it was a nice place to be. Yeah, it's nice every so often. Every so often. Okay, so we're here. We're back on the street. I think we're going in here. Are we going in here? We're going into the palace. People going in the palace. I just need to check I'm alright with how I'm dressed.